Now next article is gas law. Basically, there are three gas laws, and all the gas laws are based on this equation. PV is equal to RT, nRT or RT. PV is equal to R. So in that, you have to remember what is constant. In every law, you have to remember what is constant. Now here, pressure is constant. So here, if pressure is constant, see this is the pressure, it is constant. R is already constant. Then we get a relation between V and T. And that relation is V proportional to T. Because P is constant, R is constant. Delete P and R from that equation. Then we get V proportional to T. Or we can write V is equal to constant multiplied by T. Or we can transfer T to this side, then V by T is equal to constant. We can write V by T is equal to constant. And this is Charles' law. Means when the pressure is constant, we get relation between volume and absolute temperature. Now here you remember T is absolute temperature. So V is the volume and T is absolute temperature. Only you have to write this equation in one. Volume of fixed mass of gas directly proportional to absolute temperature if the pressure is constant. Now, next one is the Gay-Lussac's law. It is also called as pressure law. Now, in that, volume is constant. Now, see this equation. PV is equal to RT. So, if the volume is constant, cut the volume, R is already cut. Then P proportional to T, this is the Gay-Lussac's law. You can see here. P proportional to T. This is Gay-Lussac's law. Or you can write P is equal to constant multiplied by T. Then you can write P divided by T is equal to constant. And the third one is the Boyle's law. Boyle's law is here temperature is constant. So temperature is constant. So this is the gas equation. PV is equal to RT. Temperature is constant. Cut the temperature. R is already constant. So PV is equal to constant multiplied by constant. It's constant. So we get PV is equal to constant here. This is the Boyle's law. Or P is equal to constant divided by V. Or P inversely proportional to V also we can write. Pressure of gas is inversely proportional to the volume. Is the Boyle's law. So you can see this is the Boyle's law. Water boils at, and the options are. I hope you are able to decide so what is the boiling point of water based on the previous knowledge. So here option A, option B and option C, they all are same. And they all are equivalent to the 100 degrees Celsius, which you already know, and it is the boiling point. So here the most appropriate answer is A, B, and C means option D. Melting point of ice. Again, everyone know that melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. In Celsius, in Kelvin, it is 273.15 Kelvin. And in Fahrenheit, it is 32 Fahrenheit. So the answer is option D. The next question is, what is lower fixed point in Fahrenheit scale? Lower fixed point means ice point basically. And it is 32 Fahrenheit. Ice point is 32 Fahrenheit. What is upper fixed point in Celsius scale? Options are obviously upper fixed point in Celsius scale means the boiling point or steam point, we can say. And it is option D, 100 degrees Celsius. Now we have to change article.